Java 7 things. Now we are seeing, especially in Java 8, what is the improvement we have done in comparator interface. So previously, what we have done in previous sessions, so we were using comparator interface. The comparator interface should be what do you say, implemented base classes where you sort the objects. So here that concept is not required. So basically the comparator interface is used to sort the objects. Normally you can sort the numbers where you want to sort the objects. I have an employee data I want to sort. I want to sort by name. I want to sort by age. So in that case, you want to sort a object. So tomorrow you will get a requirement to sort the data by row, by entire row. In that row, that value you want to sort. So in that case, which one will be helpful? Comparator interface will be helpful. And here, previously we were sorting only based on a single column. Here in Java 8, from Java 8, we will be able to sort based on multiple fields. So that is the biggest advantage we have. We can explore that one. So if you see here, okay, rather than seeing this, we will go to example. Comparator. Where is that example here? What is the class? I didn't think the class name here. So what is the employee only we are searching? Employee. You will search of employee. Yeah. Started out. Sorry. Right. Very good. So let us consider we have a employee class who has ID, name, and age. Who has ID, name, and age. So this is a simple employee class we have taken, and we have a data. We have some data which is again, if you see, the names are repetitive. The names are repetitive. Here, why we took names are repetitive also I will tell you. Okay. So we have to, first of all, previously what we were doing in employee class, we were implementing the comparator interface. Rather than that, now the comparator interface is such an advantage we have here. So just we say compare. So comparing is a method we have. The first method is the comparing. So comparing of by which by what you need to say. So get name. So then it will give you a comparator by name. Okay, comparator by name. So now if you print this, automatically with the
has joined the meeting.
With the name, it will be sorted out and printed it. Sorted out and printed. So this is a simple single line. Previously we were doing implementing this. We were using a compare to method. We were what do you say, giving a definition to compare to method. Okay, such things and all we were doing. So we don't want to do such headaches and all now. So it is a simple single line. Again, so much of code can be removed from the existing code. So now I want to sort by a name. So yes, I am sorting by name. So if you apply a filter also, I think we can do a filtering also, like sorting I am doing. I don't want to go to DB again. Okay, I'm getting the data. I can sort by whatever I want. So in filters also we can do this by this. Also we can do by this. I want to sort the data. Okay. So now if you have a less data, let us consider I want to sort the data. Yes, I can sort it. So if it's a list data, again we need to go to DB. Okay. So rather than going to DB, so if you have a what is a less data, so in that case it will be helpful. So now comparing age. So the main advantage is not by to sort the data especially, and we sorted by a name and age. So now we have two things, sorted by name and sorted by age, as a two list we have. Now on top of the taking this two lists, again, once you compared by name, we can do a comparison, then comparing. So then compare, then again you compare by age. So first you sort by name and then by age. So it's like a order by with a multiple columns we are doing in an SQL. So in an order by with a multiple columns we are doing. So now once we
Has
done
joined the
this,
meeting.
then we can give it to a stream of collectors. So it will collect it, and again it will give the list of employees to us. List of employees to us. Like we are preparing this, we are preparing a sorted method by what? So now how it will work? So first of all, a stream will be prepared. So which will ask you to sort by what? Compare full name. So what is in compare full name? Okay, then first you need to compare by names. Okay, it will compare by name, and then again it will compare by age, and it will print the data. So shall we see whether we are printing the data in the format or not? So that's why we have taken the duplicate data. So now you see Alex with 28 first came, Alex with 43 next, Brain with 23, Brain with 29 first. So it's like a compare by name and age. So both we can do. This is the biggest advantage we have.